Okay, my name is Teo Bien Jin. I have been investing and trading in the stock market for many years, but never realized that I was not doing it right until I attended a stock trading course. In the course, I learned fundamental and technical analysis, types of charts, charting tools, stock market sentiment, etc. What I thought was the most useful topic in the course was the advanced trading technique conducted by Robin Ho. In the 3 sessions, Robin taught us various types of trading techniques and the use of different charts. He also spent a lot of time explaining to us using the trend line analysis, which he used for his own daily trade. It was amazing to know that the combination of trend line and volume is such a powerful strategy in stock trading. However, I must admit that you need a lot of practice and experience to produce good results. With many years of experience in using the trend line trading method, Robin is the best teacher to impart the knowledge to anyone who wishes to learn from him.